2 hectares under drip irrigation using solar system. Necessary for cabbage, for onion, for maize under drip irrigation to end up being powered by a solar pumping system. The capacity 40,000 liters per hour. We are using one tank, 5,000 liter tank, which is working as a holding tank. As we pump water from the bowl, it goes straight into the tank. Then from the tank, we irrigate using drip irrigation. This is maize, 1 week old, just germinating. 2 hectares of green mealies. 2 hectares of under drip irrigation. That's the 5,000 liter tank. And that's where the solar pumping system is, which is 20 meters from the storage tank. Green meal is under irrigation, under drip irrigation. Two to 3 weeks old. Then the solar panels are above on the rooftop of that house, which is 100 meters from the control box. This is James, the man who is in charge of the plot, the garden. James, the man who is in charge of the production at the plot, at the farm. Maize under drip irrigation. 2 hectares maize under drip irrigation. That's the control box. Then that's the storage tank. Distance between control box and storage tank is about 50 meters. Then distance from control box to the solar panels, which are on top of that farmhouse, it's 100 meters. The capacity of the solar pump, 40,000 liters in 6 hours. 40,000 liters in 6 to 8 hours of sunshine. Solar panel array on top of the house. 16 panels by 300 watts. 16 panels by 300 watts. These are the panels powering the drip irrigation. powering the pump and the storage tank, of which we are using drip irrigation. And currently we are irrigating 2 hectares under drip, maize, cabbages, and onion under drip irrigation. This is the farms. This is the plot, a total of 10 hectares, but 2 hectares under drip irrigation.